single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today's video is going to be a Nykaa haul. This is my first Nykaa haul in the year 2019. If you are someone visiting my channel for the first time, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. You can clearly see that today I am in a different background, and also the light is better over here. And if you see my face, I do not wear any makeup except my lipstick because I am advised by the doctor not to wear makeup for a couple of days. So I am going to be skipping on the makeup part for this video. So let's start with the haul. It's not a very big haul. I just bought few products from Nykaa, and also their flash sale was going on L'Oreal. So guys, there are sales going on Nykaa, you know, for 15 minutes or so sometimes. So whenever you check their page, whenever you get the notification, just go and make use of it, because you can save a lot of money, you know, in buying during flash sales. So recently, if you see on my Instagram, I had posted like around 11 to 11:15 AM. For 15 minutes, they put up a sale on L'Oreal. It's flash 50% off on few products. So I couldn't buy a lot of products from L'Oreal. Instead, I bought one product from there because I had that product for a long time in my cart. So that is why I bought that. If you're not following me on my Instagram, please make sure that you follow there. If suppose I get to see any other flash sales next, so I'll be updating there on my Instagram stories. So enough rambling, let's get into this big box of joy. So I ordered these products yesterday on Nykaa and I got it in 24 hours. That is what I love about Nykaa, because you needn't wait for so many, you know, days to get the products. Instead, you will get it fatafat in 24 hours. So that excitement will be there with you and you will not be disappointed. Till now I haven't, you know, got any damaged product from Nykaa, and also the product I got from Nykaa looks 100% genuine. First of all, let me put it out there that this is not a sponsored video. Instead, I'm just telling you my experience with Nykaa. So all these products I'm going to show you are bought from my own money. So I just wanted to clear that out. So I have a lot of products in here. Let's go and the first product, as you already would have seen, are the sheet masks from Face Shop. Nykaa has also launched their sheet masks, but I am not interested in buying those. Instead, I bought my trusted Face Shop sheet mask. I haven't you know, tried this Real Nature one because I usually go for the solution mask from Face Shop range. I feel that it is so serum like and it makes my skin feel very supple. So that is why I go for that. I haven't tried these, but I trust Face Shop than any other sheet mask. I have got a couple of variants. This one, if you see, I got it for buy 5 and get 3 free. So I usually miss the sale when you know, you get that offers buy 7 and get 7 free. At that time I never get, you know, offers on other products in my cart. So that is why I didn't buy it for quite a long time. Let me show you the variants I got. So the first one is the blueberry one, the pomegranate one, and then I got the avocado one, and then the tea tree, and then I got 2 aloe vera sheet masks, and then next I got the potato one, and finally I got the rice variant. So each of these sheet masks cost rupees 100. Next product I got is this one from the Blossom Couture, the Aroma Magic Passion Flower Massage Cream. It lightens and nourishes your skin. I love this particular brand because it is free from a lot of harmful chemicals. Since I am into facial massages right now, so I bought a facial massage cream, and it is 100% free from the toxic chemicals and artificial colorant. So the fragrances, it doesn't have any fragrance. I got it for rupees 234, a few bucks less. The next massage cream I got is from Khadi. I love Khadi products. Chemical free, so I mostly prefer Khadi, but I just wanted to try the other variant also, and that is why I went for this Blossom Couture one, the Almond Apricot Massage Cream. So you get 50 grams of the cream, and it is for rupees 150, but I got it for rupees 120, again a few bucks less. The next product I got is my holy grail. I have been using the Cura Dark Underarm Whitening Cream. I feel like this is largely helping my underarm to get better, so that is why I repurchased this. Originally for rupees 390, and you get 100 gram of product. I got it for rupees 322, again on offer. The next product is a serum. I love using affordable serums. I love trying it out and find out whether it works for me or not. So recently I have tried the Unlock Mixify serum. If you want to know whether it works for me or not, you can watch that video in the I button. Serum I bought recently is the Spa Wake serum. It's the whitening triple care serum. I really don't believe in whitening thing. What I expect in a serum is brightening and tightening effect, not the whitening one. But this has been doing rounds recently because of its affordable price point, and also it says it is easy to use because it comes with a pump. I have high hopes with this. Let's see whether it works for me or not. I also wanted to know whether these affordable serum really work, or does it break me out. I just wanted to test all these. I get 45 ml of product, and originally it cost rupees 399. Here I did not get any discount. Instead I got it for 399 again, but I got a free product from the same brand, that is the Spa Wake Whitening scrub face wash. It's absolutely free. Again, the free product is 100 grams. The original price of this particular product is rupees 145. It's a steal because even though I didn't get a discount, I got a free product. So that's it for skincare. The next thing is my favorite section, that is the makeup section. So what I got from there. So the first one is the Blue Heaven Primer. It is their Studio Perfect makeup base primer, and it is oil free and non-greasy one. So you get around 30 gram of product for rupees 300 originally, but I got it for rupees 264 again on discount. I haven't tried this product, but I saw SJ Love's Jewelry saying that it works well and it has a silicone base to it. But I don't prefer using primer on daily basis because I feel like these silicone primers do clog your pores, and I don't want my pores to be clogged because I am breaking out pretty much a lot. I don't prefer using primer on daily basis. So this one, I hope it is good. The next makeup product I have is the Face Shop Watery Tint. This is the lip and cheek tint kind of thing. I haven't tried any kind of lip and cheek tints, so I just wanted to try this affordable one. This is in the shade Pink Bella, and it looks very nice and bright. I don't know how it looks on my skin tone. So you get around 5 gram of product, and it cost rupees 420. I did not get any discount on this particular thing. The next product I got is the foundation. I wanted to try this foundation for so long right now, and finally I got my hands on this, especially on discount. That's a specialty of me purchasing from any website, because who doesn't love discount, guys? It's better to purchase on discount. I'm just stressing on that because it will help you on saving a lot of bucks. Wait till the end of this video because I'm going to tell you how to save your money. So the foundation I got is the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I got this one in the shade 310 Sun Beige because Sun Beige is my shade and the Fit Me range. Any foundation on my face will usually oxidize a bit, so I feel like this will suit me perfectly. We get around 30 ml of product, and the original cost is rupees 750 for this, but I got it for rupees 500 only. So the next product I got is one from L'Oreal. This is their Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. It is the blackest black variant and it's waterproof as well. I have seen, Kaushal Beauty use this, and she had shown her lashes. It looks very fluttery and separated. If you have been following me for so long, you will know that I only trust and use Maybelline mascaras, and I had used one from the Lakme, the iconic one. I didn't like it because it didn't do anything for my lashes. And finally, I'm going to try a L'Oreal lash product. I have very high hopes on this product. This particular product cost rupees 7.99 for 7.6 ml of product originally, but I got it on flash sale this time. It was for 15 minutes from 11 am till 11:15 am, and I grabbed it instantly because I got it for rupees 400 only, and this is such a steal. But I haven't tried this mascara, and that is why I didn't buy it in bulk. So the last product is, again, I was craving to try this because as soon as these were launched on Nykaa and I got to see their post, I wanted to grab it. So finally I got my hands on them. Nothing but the Maybelline's Color Sensational Red on Fire lipsticks. I got 2 of these lipsticks. I just saw few swatches on their Maybelline page itself, and I felt like these 2 shades will complement my skin tone a lot. That is why I got the first one is the smoky red shade, the black one. I don't know whether you guys have seen any swatches on these, because I'm going to clearly make a video on these lipsticks, but I want a week of time because I just wanted to try this full-fledged and then review it for you guys. So the second shade again is Ashy Red. I was eyeing this particular shade a lot. I felt like this will complement my skin tone so good, so I had high hopes on Ashy Red. Smoky Red, I bought this just for the the bullet part because it was really attracting me to buy them. So that's that. I'll review these products as soon as possible and make that video up. So be subscribed to my channel. There is no offer for these lipsticks, but yet I just wanted to splurge on them and find out how this shade looks on me, because I am very impatient when it comes to lipstick and I like to hoard a lot of lipsticks. Each of these lipstick costs rupees 500, and first of all, this is limited edition, I guess, so there is no offer for this particular thing.
Oh, I forgot to show you one more product. That is it's in the shade the Blamed Blue 009. Its original cost is rupees 400, but I got it for rupees 200 again.
Let us see how I generally shop on Nykaa. So basically it is nothing but I just add all the items I require, I really want on my cart. Keep checking the last, the total amount part, whether it has reduced or it has increased. And then if I see any changes in the total amount part, I just go and see what all items are on sale. And also if you're someone like me, I generally go through Nykaa very often, so I generally can assume or guess whether the particular product will be on offer in future on certain occasions like Valentine's Day, Republic Day, all those occasional days. That time Nykaa will give you a good offer. So if you find that this particular product is on offer for a good amount, you can directly order them. And if you want to save some penny, I would suggest you to do this. Else, if you are someone very impatient and wanted to get your hands on that particular product immediately, then go ahead and do it. There is no harm. But if you are someone like me who likes to save money, then you can follow this method and do your purchases. Finally, I hope you guys love this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see a review of any of these products, do comment down below. So follow me on my social media platforms. It is BlushPout, and also the lipstick swatches, the lip tint swatches, etc. will go on my Instagram page and Instagram stories, because I am very active on Instagram, and so you guys can follow me over there. Don't miss out on my stories. So see you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.